Alright guys, welcome to the Mulligan Blog Kitchen, I guess, today. And that's Dee, of course.
Hi.
And she is making...
Mushroom rice?
Oh, you gotta give it a better pizzazz name like that. Campfire mushroom rice. So, catch us up, because I just got the camera. What are we doing?
Okay. I diced up some onions and olive oil.
Okay.
I put one of these containers into the microwave already.
Now, guys, notice that we're all about convenience here. Okay, so how many seconds you gonna put that in?
1 minute.
1 minute.
And this is minute brown rice.
So we use the brown rice from Minute Rice, and you can do it if you want to make regular rice. You can do it that way too. But we usually are making this at camp to go with something, or here quickly. Today we have a rotisserie chicken cut up, and we're gonna put this with it in a salad and make a quick meal. So what are you doing over here?
Dicing up some mushrooms.
All right, we missed the cutting up because I was talking. So okay.
The more mushrooms you love, the more you use, because I love mushrooms.
And that's olive oil, I'm going to guess.
Yep.
Extra virgin.
Yeah. And this has to...
You got your favorite spoon there.
I know, I love this little spoon. It scoops, it grades, it's a strainer.
We'll put the link for that spoon down in the video.
It does a lot of little things. I like it a little wet. So this, and then I will put the rice in here. And it will be done.
Oh. Okay, so you got the rice in the pan with the mushrooms and the onions.
That's it. Now you could add one more thing to it if you wanted to give it a little bit more flavor.
Let me guess. Garlic? Better than bouillon.
It's like a broth.
Okay. Let me get your pad now. Alright, so we're adding better than bouillon to it.
Again, you don't have to.
This is another step. Now, do you do this all the time? With the better than bouillon?
Most of the time.
Okay. So, because she said that she does it most of the time, I will tell you that it's fantastic with better than bouillon in it. Oh, she's going to put another rice. So, that's 2 containers of the rice.
Yep.
And this recipe usually feeds 2 to 3, wouldn't you say?
Yes. We don't usually have much leftovers because it's so good.
And where did this recipe come from?
It's so easy. I just winged it.
You winged it?
I did.
Okay, so she winged it one time, and we've been eating it for years. and we love it. So she just keeps putting some more olive oil in there and getting that all cooked up. And what a nice little side dish, huh?
Yes. We love it. It's one of our favorites.
Oh, she's going to put some more mushrooms in it now. So that's it. That is Dee's Campfire rice with fresh mushrooms. We use some instant brown rice, Minute brown rice.
And onions. We
use some Beyond Bouillon and some onions and olive oil generously. And then cook it all up in the pan.
Done.
And that's going to be ready to serve probably in about 5 minutes.
Yep.